Dhaba Style Aloo Gobhi Matar. Let's see how to make it. A big head of cauliflower, 2 potatoes, ginger, green chilies for spice, and 1 tomato which I'm going to puree. Dhaba Style is heavy on spices. I have a tablespoon and a half of coriander seed powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each of Aamchur powder, red chili powder, and roasted cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of black salt and chaat masala, and 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi. Salt to taste and a little bit of Garam masala to finish. Some fresh coriander from the garden. Today I'm going to use mustard seed oil to prepare this sabji. For tadka, I have a teaspoon each of fennel seed and cumin seed and 2 dry red chilies. Once the tadka is well sauteed, add the ginger and green chilies. Add the potatoes, add some salt to taste, and cover and cook till it's half done. While the potatoes are cooking, make the puree of the tomato. When the potatoes are halfway cooked, add the cauliflower and mix well. Cover and cook the vegetables. I'm going to move this whole thing into a bigger kadai because it's easier for me to toss it then. Once the vegetables are almost done, at this stage I'm adding a half a cup of frozen peas. These are fully cooked. They are just going to thaw and mix well with the flavors in this curry. Take the tomato puree in a cup and add all the spices with the tomato puree, and then we will add it to the curry. Now the final step in this sabji, raise the heat of this curry. Now we are going to char it a little bit. Add the tomato puree in the center, mix it well, and in high heat toss the vegetables. Cover and cook for just about 2 to 3 minutes, and this sabji will be ready to serve. Turn off the gas. Garnish with a quarter teaspoon of homemade garam masala and fresh coriander leaves. This sabji goes best with fulkas, and butter fulkas are even better. Serve with some fresh summer salad and a generous portion of the sabji itself. You can subscribe my channel. Let me know how this Dhaba style sabji turned out for you.